Hey guys, Volker, and today I'm going to review ILLUMI DXF Banpresto figure. Not Hisoka, although it comes in a set, but not him. Today I'm going to review ILLUMI, which is from the Zodic family, which is Killua's brother, Aniki. So let's take a look at the box, and here's the front cover. Banpresto DXF, Hunter x Hunter, ILLUMI. I don't know why Japanese like to mess around with the names, but it's still a nice figure though. ILLUMI, his pose, which is pretty nice, and Hisoka and Yumi. It comes in a set and some things to scan. If you guys wanna scan that, then wait, let me focus on that. Okay, if you guys wanna scan that, you can go ahead right now. Okay, and okay, and here's the back, and here's the other side. So pretty nice, and let's unbox this from the bottom. I have opened it before, so yeah. So it's just like that. The box is pretty big, but the figure is not that big. A, which is the number one of the two figurines. Okay, it's over here. Right now I have a cupboard, so let's take these away. And look at the okay, let's take a look at the base. It's a Hunter x Hunter logo. It's embossed on it, which is pretty nice. And here's the figure. I bought this each for $30, around there. So two I bought for 60. I mean, they sell as a set. They don't sell individually. So it will take a few, quite a time. It will take a while to let me unbox this. So I'm gonna. So just bear with me with 1 second. So hey guys, it's I'm back, and here is the ILLUMI figure. Overall, so I'll give you a 360 view. The hair is pretty nice. I'll get to that later. The pose is really nice. Okay, let's get a good close-up on this figure. And here we And here we have the face, which looks pretty awkward. It doesn't look really nice, so I have nothing to complain because these are just 30 per figure. So yeah, good job, Banpresto. And the needles that used to change his face is on his body. Really nice metallic effect, and really love these folding on the clothes. And over here, the crouch. And here we have the legs, the knees with really nice shading and folding on the pants. So really good detail. And the shoes also really nice. It can't stand without the base because I don't know why, but maybe because the legs are too skinny. Let's look at the hen. I have a little smudge on here, which on the camera you can't really see very well, but but in life it looks really weird. Never mind. and his other which looks normal, but okay. And great foldings on the shirt here. Oh, good. Finally had it to focus. And here's the smudge. Pretty good. And there's nothing on the back, so yeah. And over here, we'll take a look at the back now. And good, nice ass. Good shading, good folding. Over here we have some folding, shading, pretty sexy legs. Pretty nice. The hair is really nicely done. Very nice. And the face. Okay. So here is the figure ILLUMI. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, any comments or anything, just leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, you like this review, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more reviews on figurines, just subscribe to my channel anywhere up here. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. Peace out.